Ẹ káalẹ́ ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ní ibikíbi tí láti ní àǹfààní láti máa gbọ́ mi ní àṣálẹ́. Mo fẹ́ kí ẹ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ gbọ́ nǹkan tí bàbá yìí tó ń bó ṣe ń tu bí ejò mọ́nàmọ́ná lẹ́nu. Ó dà mẹ́rin pé ó ti ṣe kọ̀ǹdọ́tọ̀ rí tó mọ gbogbo ọ̀nà tó wà Nàìjíríà, kò sọ́nà tó mọ̀. Ẹ wo wọ́n ṣe ń pariwo ọ̀nà eléyìí ti bàjẹ́ láti Nasarawa lọ dé Maiduguri, láti Maiduguri lọ dé Enugu, láti Enugu lọ dé Èkó, ìwọ nìkan èèyàn ajínigbé wọ̀nyí. Ẹ wo bó ṣe ń pariwo ń sìn. Nígbà tí Buhari wà ń bẹ̀, ẹ lè gbọ́ pẹ́kẹ́ lẹ́nu wọn. Wọ́n ṣáà ń finá mọ́ Tinubu lọ́nà kan náà fi ń finá mọ́ Tinubu. Lóòótọ́ ó sọ nínú fọ́nrán tẹ fẹ́ wò yìí, màá fi sí ń sìkà wò. Ó sọ nínú fọ́nrán yẹn, ó ní nǹkan ẹyọ kan tí Buhari achieve, òun ni Niger Bridge, òun nìkan ló achieve according to nǹkan tó sọ. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́.
This budget, they are making it for themselves and their family. That company, Mr. President, give to 15 trillion. What is the name of the company? Who is the owner of the company? 15 trillion. Without passing through the Senate. And then he achieved another one for buying aircraft for himself, 150 billion US dollars. Then I buy 1.5 billion for himself and his vehicle. Then you expect result, my brother. This 2027 that we are just 47 trillion is for himself and the National Assembly and their family. It's not for me and you, the poor man. So let's just forget about it. Not even put yourself so that hypertension cannot kill you. Or you have high blood pressure for nothing. They are nothing or God will offer. Nothing. The project is just for them and themselves. Okay, you ask yourself, you make a project 28 trillion. No road. Commission one road. Now let us see it. Commission the road, let us see, not by TV. Tell us this is what you are doing. And every day they say, Mr. President, is new hope. No new hope. No new hope. From rice from 30,000 to 110,000. Guinea corn from 40,000 from 20,000 to 130. Then you are telling me there's a new hope. Which new hope? Where is the new hope, Oga? Dollar from 450 naira. 2023 before you take over. What is the dollar now? Going to almost 1,655 point something. So is there any achievement? As far as I'm concerned, this budget is for themselves and their family. It's not for me and you, the masses. Let us just forget about it and let us hold ourselves. God will take us 2027. We cannot continue like this. You say it's democracy, we agree. But if the democracy, they make the project and they pass the project, tell us this is what I want to do with this money. And let us see it in the ground. But you can't confuse or you just put it in the paper. We are educated. We are not illiterate. And personally, in democracy, you have freedom of speech. Though I see when somebody speak, they say, me, I don't care for arrest, I don't care to death. It's nonsense. You arrest me, you arrest, nonsense. You kill me, it's only one bullet. I don't care about it. What I'm after is the truth. I am a Nigerian, I'm a citizen. So the budget you make is to me and my family and you, another person's family, all my brothers. Where is the road? Is it from the road from east or south or north? None. No road to nothing. And we are still suffering. Then what are we talking about? Say there's a project. Where is the project? We don't have any project. As far as I'm concerned, even formally, when the minister come for works and housing, you go to Kaduna, you go some places, you see me road, wearing steel helmet. You end up wearing steel helmet. All you just go back, focus on that 15 trillion. 15 trillion project, that is why he focus. The other project, they ignore it. This one that they make, we will see the project and we will see what they do for us. And let the Mr. President come and address the nation. My 2 years, this is what I want to do for my 2 years anniversary. I've commissioned so road, I've commissioned so road, I've commissioned so road. And let us see, not by TV or by paper. That is just what we want with the masses of Nigeria. And let the food come down. Mr. President, Christmas is on the corner. How is this a brother going to celebrate their Christmas? Where is the road? From here to Jos. Your chalk sober will pull out before you go Jos. You will take Panadol before you say you are going to Bauchi, Gombe. Even yesterday, about 3 trailers fall in Gombe, Adamawa Road. No road from Gombe to Adamawa, no way. The road have collapsed. From here, when you say you are going from Niger, Bida, Makua, then you pass out to Ilorin, Oyo, is the same thing. You have to Lagos. You take off from there, Ore, Okaka, you come back to Okitukuba, you say you are leaving the Okitukuba, enter to Ore, to Bini. Bini to Auchi is a hell. If you are going again from Okene to Auchi, is another problem. From there, if you say you are going to, say you are talking even from Agbo, then you pass out to Agbo, to Asaba, is another problem. So where is the road? The only bridge that we make Buhari achieve is that Niger Delta and Niger bridge, and that bridge is still standing on it. Then from Onitsha, say you are going to even Owerri, it's another hell. Before you go to Akeja, you will buy tire, or before you enter Imo, you buy tire. Follow to Elele, Edemiri, then you say you are going to Patani, bus out to Bayelsa, the same thing. From there, bus out, enter into you say from Elele, you are going to Imo, you are going to Imo, it's the same thing. From that Elele again, if you take the road, say you are going into a river, the main Port Harcourt is a big problem. Before you even go where you will stop, you know, say your tire maybe end up busting. Before you go Abba Road, you have to change tire. So from Abba, you say again from Imo, you take off, just you are going to, you come to Abia. From Abia, you go to Abba. Abba, you bust out to Imo. You say you are going to Rivers, is the same thing. From that Abba again, say you will bust out to Arachuku, you take off to Akwa Ibom, it's the same thing before Cross River. From Cross River, say you are facing this side, say you want to see Benue. My brother, before you come to, before you move to Egep, not even Ecom, Egep, like 2-3 tires don't pull out. There's a place where they are putting iron, where you know say this is a hole. Then you take off up to, again, when you take off from there, you just come to, from that area, say you want to see Ogoja, it's another problem. Then from Bukara, say you are going to Bandika, is a problem. From that area, say you take off to Boko, or you are going to even Katsina Allah to Wukari to Jalingo, is the same problem. Before you go even the Bali, your vehicle have collapsed. So where is the road? No road. No road in Nigeria with the 28 billion, you will just waste it for nothing. Mr. President, please think twice. You are a human being. As you said, you are Muslims. In Muslim, or Christian, the adopted Christian, we know there's repercussion. Anything you do, there's something you will pay there or after. Please address us as a human being, the way you vote. We need you that way, but me, I campaign for you in the APC, and I will convince people. Now, if the people call me and say switch up, I cannot even pick their call. I tell them switch up, try again later. I can't carry their call.
Sherry, kò sí bí wọ́n ṣe lè ju àdá sókè nígbà ìgbà ibi pẹlẹbẹ láfi lélẹ̀. Ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà kò sí pé a gbọ́ ìròyìn ayọ̀, ìròyìn ibi ni, kò sétò ààbò, kò sí kankan. Mi ò rírú ìlú bí ìlú yẹn rí. Èèyàn á sọ èyí tó ń dùn mí jù ńbẹ̀ tó ṣe bámbárì tó ń dùn mí jù ni pé wọ́n á fẹ́ gbàpótí ìbò. Àwa ọ̀dọ́ nu á rí ńbẹ̀, á lọ tò sí wọn lẹ́yìn, á ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń dìbò fún wọn. Ní pé nǹkan ò dáa. Ṣé rí ibi tí nǹkan dé ń sìn? Ọ̀gbẹ́ni òun ni ṣé gòlóló, kíní kan gòlóló, orúkọ àwọn ibú tí wọ́n ń jẹ́ kiri rédèrèdè. Ẹ̀rí pé ó jáde ní last time náà, ó sọ̀rọ̀ nípa Sunday Igboho, pé Sunday Igboho gbé ìwé, ó gbé lọ sí kí la ti ń pè, ó gbé lọ sí Britain, ó gbé lọ sí ọ́fíìsì wọn lọ́hùn, ó lọ submit ẹ̀. Ó sọ oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀ ló sọ, kò sọ̀rọ̀ tí ń jáde lẹ́nu wọn. Anything concerning ilẹ̀ Yorùbá abẹ́lé tó bá jẹ́, torí pé Tinubu ló wà ńbẹ̀ sìn, ó lè jẹ́ kó ń sọ gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń sọ ilé ẹnu. Nàìjíríà ò lè work, torí àwa náà mọ̀ pé tribalism, ìmọ̀tara wa nìkan òun ni. Ṣé Tinubu sì ta bá wo gbogbo àwọn ibi tán ọmọ Yorùbá náà kó síbẹ̀, á ti sọ lọ́nà gbogbo ọ̀nà, kò sọ́nà náà tẹ́ fẹ́ gbé gbà, mi ò mọ̀nà tẹ́ fẹ́ gbé gbà. Oríṣiríṣi ní ilé ní bí ẹkún apọkọjẹ. Ẹ wo nǹkan tó kù, December kí la wà ń sìn. December today is 20 àbí ọ̀la ní 20. Ẹ wo bọ́n ṣe, ẹ mọ bí nǹkan ṣe wọ́n lọ́jà. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn àti jẹun sí ìnira ni, inú ìnira ni. Ẹlòmíì inú rònú. Kí la ti fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ìlú yìí sí? Kí la ti fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ìlú yìí sí? Kí la ti fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ìlú yìí sí? Ẹ fi wá lọ́rùn sílẹ̀, jẹ́ káwa ọmọ Yorùbá jẹ́ ká máa lọ. Ẹ tú wa sílẹ̀, jẹ́ ká máa lọ. A ti ṣetán, a fẹ́ lọ. Ẹ̀yin àgbààgbà ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ẹ fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀. Ẹ̀yin ọba lọ́ba ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ẹ fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀. Àwọn leaders ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ò lẹ́rí tán máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ bí àwọn eléyìí ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀. Wọ́n á dákẹ́ ni wọ́n ò ní sọ̀rọ̀. Wọ́n á dákẹ́ wọn ò ní sọ̀rọ̀. Elders mélòó lẹ́ẹ̀rí tán máa sọ̀rọ̀? Wọ́n pọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn o, a mọ̀ wọ́n, ṣàmọ̀ wọ́n lóríṣiríṣi. Ẹ̀rí Gúnmi ń gbà mí àtàyà gbangba síta. Àwọn tí ẹ̀kan ti gbé. Àwọn ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ń tiwa ẹ̀rù bíbà náà ni. àfẹ́kù wọ́n wọlé wọ́n wá ń gbọ́ba wọ́n ń pa ọba. Ẹ wo ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹ má yẹ ká sọ̀rọ̀ pẹ́ jù jàre. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo bẹ̀ yín lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí ẹ bá wa subscribe sórí YouTube yìí ẹ encourage wa. Iṣẹ́ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá la fi ń ṣe kò ń ṣe nǹkan méjì. Iléeṣẹ́ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá la fi ń ṣe. Ẹ bá wa subscribe sí lẹ́nu ìgbà tá a open kíní ó ti ń lọ bí 2 weeks nsìn subscriber tó wà ń bẹ̀ ò encourage. A dẹ̀ ti ní subscriber tó ti ń lọ bí 3 point something tẹ́lẹ̀ tó ń gbé wa ní page lọ ṣùgbọ́n kí la ṣe àwọn alágbára ni ìtàn lágbára jù ní lọ àwọn agẹṣikólé mo ṣàmọ̀ pé wọ́n ju Ọlọ́run lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni so ẹ support wa ẹ encourage wa nǹkan tẹ́ máa ṣe fún wa náà nìyẹn káwọn ayé náà kọ́ lè máa gbọ́ kí iṣẹ́ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá kó fi máa tẹ̀síwájú náà ni. Ẹ ṣeun gan mo mọ̀ pé èèyàn mi ẹ̀ ní dá wa ní tọ̀mọ̀ èmi ọmọ yín náà ni o ó dàárọ̀.